Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabet. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. A. The next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow. And the next one is D. D for dog. D for dog. The alphabet of D. Kids, now we're using the color of pink and draw the alphabet of E. E for egg. And the next one is F. We are again using the color of pink. F for fish. F for pen. And the next one is G. Now we are using the color of black and draw the alphabet of G. G for God. Now we are using the color of sky blue and draw the alphabet of H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for eyes. I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. Now we are using the color of red. The alphabet of J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon and for mango. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of brown. N for nose and for nest. And the next one is O. O for orange. Now we are using the color of silver and draw the alphabet of P. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. Black color. Now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching.